There we go. We're scanned in and heading to the ship.
Thank you, no better than me. You want to go on that.
So great to be boarding a cruise ship.
Look what I found! Look what I found! Look what I found! So excited!
Hi, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Susan. Together we love to travel.
One of our favorite places to be
is aboard a Norwegian ship at sea.
good food, drinks, and friends.
Make a relaxing trip indeed,
So come along with us.
as we let the sea set us free.
Woo!
Okay guys, we're here on the deck of the Norwegian Epic, getting ready to sail away from Port Canaveral. We're super excited. This is going to be a good cruise, and super excited. Carnival Freedom is just pulling out, and we're not going to be too far behind it. So we're ready for a great week, and of course you're coming along with us. Okay, so we are now off to dinner at La Cucina. And down the escalator we go. So cool to have an escalator on the ship.
It is now time for dinner at La Cucina. For our appetizers, I got the spaghetti carbonara. Matthew got the mozzarella caprese.
But this is another restaurant, although hard to find. I don't know why they put this under the...
For our entrees, I got the ossobuco and Matthew got the beef lasagna.
They do it in a certain way.
And for dessert, I got my tiramisu and Matthew got the panna cotta.
Well, good evening.
Hello.
So you know how people hide ducks around the ships?
Did you ever expect to find them in your stateroom?
Well, we found 3 in our stateroom when we got on today.
First, Matthew found this one. With no tag, no nothing. And I'm like, what? You're kidding me. What? No. And then we're busy hanging our Christmas decorations and Christmas lights. And I find another one. And then I turn around and look on the other side of the room. And I found another one. I'm like, what is happening? So anyways, thank you to Reagan and Kaysen of Lordstown, Ohio for hiding them in our stateroom. We found them.
So we are wiped from our travel days still. It was great wandering around the boat today, kind of figuring out where everything was. La Cucina was good, but a few more things got dropped off the menu, and
My ensalada mista was missing.
yeah, and did you know there's like very little pasta on the appetizer list? It's only like the spaghetti carbonara left.
There was
And
very few pasta choices to begin with, and now there's even fewer
yeah.
in general.
Are they getting rid of La Cucina? Hopefully not.
Hopefully not.
Tomorrow we have a jam-packed day. Sorry, I had to change hands. We have in the morning our Latitudes behind the scenes tour.
So fun.
That is at 8 a.m. Then we have
Wines
Wines Around the World at 11. Then we're going to go look at the art at the...
We've been given VIP access to look at it before everybody else. So
you know, when you meet Create and, you know, get a one-of-a-kind, you know, kind of save that video in your phone. And so anytime you see a Park West art person, you kind of go, hey, they say, oh, have you collected art? And
yes.
you pull that out and they all go, oh, that's so cool. Yeah.
Here's a VIP access code.
Yeah, that's how you do it. It's kind of fun, actually. Susan just goes, oh, he did it again. So, that's kind of the plan for tomorrow. We also have Cagney's in the evening.
Cagney's for dinner tomorrow.
So yeah, it'll be good.
So it's been a busy day tomorrow.
Yeah, so we're going to enjoy it. It'll be an early morning. We got to get up and go up to the buffet.
Hopefully it's not too crowded. Hopefully.
I don't think people are going to be up this early. I think they're going to hit it hard tonight, and then they're going to sleep in. That's how it typically goes on the first sea day, is people are not early risers on the first sea day, and they hit the buffet late, or they hit O'Sheehan's, or they hit the MDR right before it closes. So we're going to probably be done with our behind the scenes tour when a lot of them are just rolling into breakfast. So,
Yep.
but we're gonna call it a night,
Yep.
and we'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night.